The Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's been out for over a year now. Is it still worth buying one? You get some fantastic deals at the moment, and I'm just about to say goodbye to mine. I've traded it in with the Samsung upgrade program, so it's getting replaced for my Note 10, which I have here, which I've got a load of videos up for, so check them out. But let's talk about this one, because it's been such an unbelievably fantastic device. The utilisation with the S Pen, its headphone jack, large screen. I mean, the screen on it's been one of the outstanding features of it as well. But the S Pen, the functionality for me of the S Pen for work, it's been invaluable. I mean, in fact, video editing. I did a lot of my video editing for YouTube on that phone. In fact, I did most of my YouTube videos with it. It's been that good. And the S Pen, it allows, I mean, even on that smallish screen, it still allows you to edit your videos quite well. So as you can see, the actual screen, the brightness, I mean, this is direct sunlight, you can still see it. The colours outside, they really do pop. I love the fact it's got your bezels still, don't have the notches. It's a great looking design. Excellent colour blue, I always love that colour. Physical fingerprint sensor works great on this thing. It might be a little bit slow, but never had a problem. The infamous Bixby button, volume buttons, power button, all in just the right places. A lot of thought's gone into it. You've got obviously a headphone jack, and it's great stereo speakers. As you can see, I've got quite a collection. The only one I don't have there is a Note 4, but the Note 9's been the best so far. It really has been. But now we've got the Note 10 that's come out. I've got the Note 10 Plus, so hopefully that's going to take its crown. So as far as the rest of the software goes, it's just been, I mean, the phone just flew. I've never had any lag from it. It's nothing like the Samsung of old. It's just nothing like it. With the extra RAM and everything on it, it really makes a big difference. I did try once and I did get it to stutter at one point, but I mean, I was downloading Fortnite software updates. I was running Real Racing 3. I had a couple of other bits going on in the background. I was really trying to push the processor in it, and I did get it to sort of slow down and stutter a bit, but not for very long. I mean, and what's really good about it, even with all that stuff going, you can go back into your recents and you go back to your apps that you were using, and it hasn't actually force closed those apps. Not that I've found. It does occasionally, but other than that, the only problem I've had with the software side of it recently is using the camera, this video camera specifically. I've been getting some overheating issues, but I think perhaps if I went in and just cleared up some of the background stuff, I think I'll probably find that will solve that problem. But other than that, I just love it. It's fantastic. So the cameras. So we're just going to run through a few photos really. I've always quite liked the cameras on Samsung phones, and they don't disappoint on this Note 9 either. They've been always really good, nice and sharp. I've been quite happy with the colours. I mean, you've got your Pro mode on it, so you can alter the settings if you want. I mean, I do like my sunset shots, and the colours just look beautiful, that sort of thing. You've got your night, Samsung's version of night mode, and that seems to come out really good as well. I like it. So I've covered a few aspects of the phone. Really, in all honesty, there's too much to go through. There's far too many features to go through to put it all down in one video. It does everything really well. It's a very good general phone. It's good build quality, everything. It feels good to have in hand. It's not too heavy. It's so useful for a lot of things. So the price when it came out was really expensive. I think the prices that you can get them for now, it makes it a no-brainer. If your money doesn't stretch to the Note 10 Plus or the Note 10, the Note 9, easy, hands down, makes a great alternative, and you really would not be unhappy with it. The phones are quite similar with the newer ones. Obviously there's a difference in the style and the display. The new Note 10 Plus, like for instance, has got the extra wide angle camera, which is a shame that it didn't have that on the Note 9, but you don't really miss it that much. It does everything else really well. The main things I am going to miss not having a Note 9 over the Note 10 Plus, I'm going to miss the iris sensor. It could be a little bit finicky, but yeah, it worked. I liked that extra feature, that extra security feature. I'm going to miss this physical fingerprint sensor. I think the in-display ones on the newer phones, I mean, for me, I know a lot of people don't have a problem, but for me, there must be something on my fingerprints that they don't pick up quite as easily. But other than that, really, yeah, if you're looking for a new phone, the Note 9's a fantastic device, and it's worth thinking about. But so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. It's my first video with a proper camera and software set up, so it's a bit of a trial, so it's a bit clunky. I'll be sorry about that, but let us know what you think. Give me your thoughts on the Note 9. Tell me what you think. Are there any things that you really liked about it that you would miss if you got rid of yours? Pop me a note down in the comments. Obviously, please like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest videos. I have got some more coming out, so that's it for now. I'll see you around.